Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 26th of January 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, Egypt's Minister of Electricity and Renewable Energy met with a delegation from China's Sany Global to explore cooperation opportunities in renewable energy. In particular, they discussed the establishment of a wind turbine manufacturing plant. The drive for localization is supported by Egypt's massive natural resource capacity. The ministry is implementing a clear plan for technology transfer and is open to diverse partnership models. In particular, they hope to prioritize those which make use of locally manufactured components. Chile's National Electric Coordinator has submitted a proposal to the National Energy Commission outlining 45 electricity transmission expansion projects. The proposal includes 12 national transmission projects, representing an estimated investment of $343 million. Additionally, they proposed 33 zonal transmission initiatives amounting to $384 million. Together, these projects are designed to optimize transmission capacity, ensure operational efficiency, reduce supply risks, and foster greater competition in Chile's electricity market. Bhutan is entering a new era of clean energy with major commitments from Adani, Reliance, and Tata to develop large-scale hydro and solar projects across the kingdom. Together with local solar projects, these developments will help Bhutan reach its 2040 goal of 25 gigawatts of installed capacity. They will also serve to strengthen its standing as a carbon-negative green energy leader. The offshore wind industry has pledged to invest €9.5 billion to help expand capacity in the North Sea. It comes as European countries work to turn one of the most famous oil basins into the world's largest clean energy reservoir. The declaration will accelerate the technology adoption and mobilize €1 trillion of capital in Europe. It will also create 91,000 jobs and reduce power production costs by 30% by 2040. Albania increased to 45% from 42% the share of renewable energy in gross final consumption, which it targets by 2030. The government's target share of electricity generated by solar power plants is set at 25% of actual consumption by 2030. For wind parks, this share is 17.5%. In 2025, renewable sources delivered more than 700,000 megawatt-hours, or 9% of the total energy consumed in Albania. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.